So going back to onDelete handler, we will call the setPersons only if the person's length is more than 2. So person's length more than 2, then call this deleter. Let's see if it works. So delete me, it's not deleting anything. If I add more, it will delete properly. Nice, so let's hide also those delete buttons here, or even better, let's make them disabled to make it more understandable. But first let's delete display block from the input to make the button go next to it. And because I cannot see it like this, let's make it look a little bit better. Padding 10 pixel, no, let's make it 4. And then border radius 0, border 1 pixel, solid. Let's make it the same color as the input. Let's go to the input and then make the border radius 505005, and let's make the button 1 pixel bigger and move it 1 pixel to the left. So margin left -1. Better. Let's copy this. So let's paste this here and do it for the sibling button of the input. So input button like this, and then let's also change this as it was, and there we go. Let's also add some right radius to the button. So border radius top right will be 5 pixel, and then bottom right another 5 pixel. Nice, I like it much better. So let's make those two disabled. But first let's make the other button the same, have some styling. So border radius, let's make it 5 pixel and keep this, delete this, delete those, and change those to left. Nice, so here and this here and this here can go away. So let's go to the button and say disabled equals to person's length less or equal to 0. So those two are disabled. If we add more, we can delete properly. Let's delete, and again, and when we reach 2, we can no longer delete anyone else. So let's finally go to calculate the results. Let's pass the persons inside the results component and go inside the results component. So persons, delete this, and first let's create a button. Oops. Assign the people So in here, let's create a new function and name it match persons. It will take the persons array as a parameter, and let's add it in the onClick handler of the button. Now it will, let's assign everything in a temp array first, and it will reduce the persons array ACC current, and in here, if the current person has gifted is false, then we want to assign them another person to gift. So let random person to gift ID equals to math floor math random times person's length plus 1. Nice. This will basically create a random number between 1 and the length of the person's array. So since we have this, while ACC find person has gifted equals to random person to gift ID. While this is true, we want to recreate a random number. I'm pretty sure this will end up in an infinite loop, because when everyone has gifted, it will continue to try and find someone that has not gifted, and it will do that forever. So let's cut this by creating a new temp array. Let's call it gifted people. This is not elegant at all, but oh yeah. So what we want to do is if gifted people length equals to, come on, person's length, then we want to break. So break. Also, if gifted people sum then gifted push random person ID. Now outside the while, let's return ACC and then car has gifted equals to random person to gift ID. Otherwise, outside the if, let's return ACC and car. Let's return this and let's console log the temp array to see what happens actually. Person, another, assign, false, false. Oh. Has gifted. This may work. Person, another. Let's see. Has gifted 2, has gifted 1. Let's add some more. Add some more, assign to people, 1, 2, 3, 5, 4. Let's add more, and more. Assign people, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice, everyone is assigned to someone. But I can see here that this person has gifted themselves. So let's add some more ifs inside the while. But actually, let's refresh to see the error. And function declared in the loop contains references to variables, random person, no loop function. Line 7 and line 10. This is okay, let's keep it. While person ID equals to random person to gift ID, or this, let's save. What happened? Oh, not person, car. So now that we have this, let's show the assignments here when I click the assign to people button instead of showing the console log. So let's delete this and move the function inside our component, because we will need to have it here in order to render the list. So this will be a state function. So const assigned, set assigned, or set matched equals to use state, which will be an empty array, and then so inside match persons, let's call set matched. Come on. Now in here, if matched length, then matched map, person will be a P, and person.name will gift to person.find result ID equals to person ID first result, and then name. Let's see how this will go. Add more. Jane Doe, Little Kevin, Simpson. Let's keep those 4. Ooh. Person find is not a function. Find, where is it? Persons. Let's try again. John Doe, Simpson. Let's try. Cannot read property name of undefined. Find person ID, result ID. Oh, they should go. And I see that I have an error here. Has gifted. This should work. Let's see. So, John Doe, Simpson. So, it's the moment of truth. John Doe will give to little Kevin. Jane Doe will give to Simpson. Little Kevin will give to John Doe. Simpson will give to Jane Doe. Everyone gives a gift and everyone receives a gift. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to like it and also subscribe to my channel. Also make sure to comment down below what else you want to see me do the next days. So I'll see you tomorrow. Enjoy your day.